Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's almost polish pickup weekend, and today I'll be sharing Glisten Glow's contribution to the December 2021 polish pickup. The theme for this month is warm and cozy, and Glisten Glow's contribution is a polish named Hygge Life, plus their Glisten Glow Top Coat. Both of these items will be available at polishpickup.com and only from December 3rd at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until December 6th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hugo Life is described as an ivory polish with pink undertones loaded with rainbow iridescent flakes. It was inspired by the Danish word of hygge and the life it represents, which is the warm atmosphere and enjoying the good things in life with good people. Here I applied 3 coats of this polish for full opacity, and I'm going to top off this swatch with a coat of Glisten Glow's Top Coat for a super glossy finish. So here are 3 coats of Hygge Life with the Glisten Glow Top Coat. And to show you the matte swatch, here it is with a coat of Glisten Glow's Matte Top Coat. And here's a comparison between the matte and glossy swatches. I also did a fun little stamp design inspired by this polish using a new stamping plate, which I'll show in another video soon, but I wanted to showcase the Glisten Glow Top Coat, which will also be available during polish pickup this month. This quick dry top coat dries in just a couple minutes and should leave your nails with a super glossy finish for days to weeks with no tip wear or chipping. The key is to float your brush over the design to prevent smearing, and don't forget to cap your free edge to prolong your mani. So that's all for today's video. Again, both Hygge Life and the top coat will be available at polishpickup.com and only from December 3rd at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until December 6th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The price for Hygge Life is $13 and the price for the top coat is $7.50, and there is no cap for either. I'll leave a link below to the Polish Pickup shop as well as my other Glisten Glow swatch videos. Anyways, that's all for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!